Welcome to the EMDECS Kona Transition Training for Financial Manager and Reporting. Before we begin, I'd like to review a few points. This course is designed for users transitioning from EMDECS Forms to EMDECS Kona. Users involved in journal batch processing are encouraged to watch this video. All setup and configurations that were previously available in EMDECS Forms will be available in EMDECS Kona. In addition to this, all historical information will be available for you on the new platform. General ledger mapping configurations are the same as you had on Forms. Please note, the training environment is a copy of your production environment, so there may be some differences depending on when the last copy was made. Rest assured, when you transition to the new platform, all your information will be up to date. Access to the EMDECS Kona training platform will be provided to you once you request to transition to Kona. Your usernames and passwords will be the same as you use today. And finally, we strongly recommend that you watch this video in a quiet environment. Take note of any important information for your role, jot down any questions you may have, and reach out to us by our online help portal or by calling us. Also, feel free to join our online training sessions related to this topic. Now, let's get started with the training. In this course, you'll learn how to batch journals in EMDECS Kona. The process has been simplified in Kona to one screen. The process to import your journal batch will remain the same as on QuickBooks today. For the purpose of this training login is using the QuickBooks USA version. Journal batching processes can save time by avoiding double entry of your invoices and bills and reduce the risk of data entry errors. To export a journal batch in EMDECS Kona, your username must have access to the Financial Manager. If your username should have access to the Financial Manager menu, similar to this training login, please contact our support team and you can add that for you. To start the journal batching process, log into EMDECS Kona and go to Financials and Financial Manager. The Financial Manager screen allows you to journalize as well as set up or change any mapping configurations. We recommend that you please contact Bright Order support team to make any changes to mapping configurations. Making changes to the mapping configurations may have inadvertent impact on your operations and financial processes. Also, we recommend reaching out to us if you're making any changes to the facilities, warehouses, surcharges, taxes, or GL accounts. You may get journal errors when trying to batch journals if changes are made without properly mapping the GL accounts. If you wish to learn how to update GL mapping configurations yourself, feel free to join our online training classes related to this topic. To start the journal batching process, click on the Generate Journals button. Now select the period and journal batch source by checking the selected checkbox. You can pick multiple journal batch sources, and all invoices and bills up to that period will be batched in their own journals. Once you've selected all the journal sources, click on Generate Journals. At this point, the system will batch process all invoices and bills in the system entered up to the date you have selected, and you can then export these batches. Again, if you receive any journal batch errors, please contact us to help you resolve any of those issues. To allow you to assist you better with the journal errors, here are a few simple steps on attaching the journal batch errors on EMDECS to help with the ticket. To Need Help, hyperlink and click on Need to raise a request. Contact us. Select Report an issue or ask a question and fill out the form to submit the request. You can also attach a screenshot of the error message you've received or provide us with the GL batch number and the account this information should be mapped to. If you're unsure about the account mapping and which account mapping should be used, please contact your accountant or accounting team for further assistance. Once your request is submitted, our team will update your GL mapping, notify you once the changes are made, and you can go ahead and finish the rest of the process. The next step in the process is to export the journal batch. To export the journal batch, click on the Export button next to the journal batch. This creates an IIF file, in this case for you to export to your desktop. As I mentioned earlier, the remaining process for anyone using journal batching export process remains the same. You can now log into your QuickBooks account and import the journal batch. Let's review the reporting functionality in EMDECS Kona. To do so, go to Reports, click on Reports. Category are on the left-hand side. In this training, we will not be reviewing all the reports. However, I strongly encourage you to run any reports you currently use to ensure you're able to get the data that you need. Kona, one of the new features is the ability to email reports periodically to yourself, internal parties, and to your customers. This is a great tool to use so you don't have to log into the system to run the same reports all the time. Simply schedule your reports, schedule the report parameters, and wait for your reports to show up in your inbox. You can effectively track service and parts for your fleets and repair shops without even logging into the system. To get more details about the reports available in EMDECS Kona, please click on the Need Help and click on Reports option. This page gives you important details about the reporting availability in EMDECS Kona. Please note, we are in the process of building out our knowledge base, so if you're unable to find an article for the report you're looking for, please do let us know. We'd be happy to provide you with the details and the necessary information. That was a brief overview of the journal batching and reporting functionality in EMDECS. For more information, feel free to review our online training documentation and join our online training classes hosted by one of our application specialists. I hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to watch the other videos on this page to fully familiarize yourself with EMDECS Kona. As always, please log a support request with any questions you may have or call us at 1-888-205-8817 and press 1 for EMDECS support. Thank you for watching this training session and enjoy the rest of your day.